showed you guys all of the incredibly entertaining body work because I've already shown that 3 times on this same exact grill. So we're going to jump right to the part where it's all sanded and ready for a fresh coat of paint before we head off to the Black Hills Invasion meet and Ultimate Callout Challenge. Also, you can see that gnarly hood gap. We're going to be adjusting the entire hood and readjusting and messing with the latch so that when we shut the hood, this grill here doesn't get slammed so hard. So it actually has a chance of survival and looking good after I repaint it this time. First layer of our trusty Rust-Oleum gloss white is down, and we should be good after about 15 minutes. Probably got one more coat is all it's gonna need. We're already doing really good coverage wise. Over all the spots we sanded all the way down where the actual mesh was digging into the paint. So we'll give that 15 minutes and come hit it one more time before the 2K clear. So our can of white here has paint in it, but it just lost all pressure. Which means I guess it's time to clear because I don't have any more paint here. And we are now done with coat number 2 of the clear. And it's kind of all right. You can see, didn't do the best job sanding there, but oh well. You can kind of see the line along the edge there. Slight imperfections there, but only if you're really looking hard for it. I'm not too worried about it. It's all going to come apart, and other things will get painted, and different things will happen and whatnot once we get back. I just needed to slap a new set of paint on it, just because this whole corner was like really super duper mangled and peeling up, and it was all sorts of bad. So this will look worlds better for our trip. Now that we got the bezel hanging out in the sun over there, I am going to sand down this black border here so it can be completely resprayed. And then it's hard to tell here on camera because of the background, but then I will come in and touch up the different colored areas, of course. As I was saying, then I will touch up the different colored areas with paintbrush, and then I will clear bed liner the whole thing. Quick time-lapse break to admire my tape job. Always one of the more satisfying parts of painting things. I saved you another boring to watch process. We got the red and the blue all touched up. There's the aftermath of that. And now I'm just waiting for the little spots that I went over to dry, and we will lock it all in with the clear bed liner. I'm 2 solid coats of the clear bed liner in, and so far, very good. I didn't film the grill going back together because it's a really long and tedious process, and it's super duper hard to get the bezel mounted, or the insert mounted to the bezel without scratching the bezel. But we did manage to get it done. As it sits, it is completely perfect. So we're going to get the toss back on, and then I will let you see it, and then we will shut the hood. That way, if it does move or get messed up or anything, which it shouldn't, we'll at least have a video of when it was perfect. It is now completely bolted up, and there you can see all along our edge is complete perfection as of right now. Let me get over here. See, all along the bottom, not even a single scratch. All along the top, just looks immaculate. Now, hopefully it stays that way when we actually shut the hood. Okay, I'm ready. I mean, I'm not, but go ahead. No way. There's no way it just shut that easy.
That would shut way easier than I thought it would.
That was awesome. That was like the best possible scenario that could have just taken place there. It still looks perfect. Didn't move on the bottom at all. It didn't flex and leave a black line all the way under there. Nothing around the sides. Go look over here. Nothing but perfection. This is either the 4th or 5th time repainting this grill, I think, and then getting it fitted up to the truck to try and achieve this result. So, now you're going to get a really nice B-roll. I'm going to try and step up the editing. And next video, you will probably see us up in Sturgis or at Ultimate Callout Challenge. I don't know which one's coming first, but stay tuned. They're going to be awesome. I didn't end up getting B-roll before we ran out of town. So here is a 7,500 mile update on what it looks like. We went from Denver all the way up to Sturgis, Deadwood area, then up to Pierre, before all the way over to Indianapolis. And then we ventured back through Missouri and Kansas, all the way back to Denver, and then another 2,000 miscellaneous-ish miles all around the wonderful roads of Colorado. And as any vehicle that is driven every day, like this one, with that many miles, I'd say it still looks pretty spiffy. But I will always continue to redo it, refresh it, eventually upgrade it. There's going to be some lights on the Texas Grill version 3.0. So make sure you drop a like and a comment and do subscribe so you can catch the next one.